The Electro-Harmonix Pico Deep Freeze pedal excels at capturing and holding a slice of your playing, turning simple chords or notes into a stable pad you can effortlessly build on. Its 3 operating modes let you choose between classic latching drones, momentary swells under your foot, or automatic freezing that reacts to your dynamics without constant pedal tapping. Separate level controls for the unaffected and frozen signals make it easy to blend in anything from a gentle ambient bed to a fully transformed effect-only sound. The glissando control smoothly shifts between frozen tones, creating evolving textures that feel more like a synthesizer or string ensemble than a typical guitar pedal. A shared speed and layering control lets you dial in how quickly notes fade in and out or stack multiple freezes, opening up harmonies and chord voicings that are physically impossible to play at once. Housed in a compact enclosure that still feels rugged enough for heavy gigging, it delivers sophisticated ambient and sustain tricks without taking over your pedalboard.